Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 22nd of March. We did a step across turn, a cross-handed catapult, a pretzel walk around, and a lady comb half Manhattan. Links in the description below to each of those moves, so that if you need a more detailed teach for each of those moves, you can get it. This is just going to give you a run through of those moves and show you how they're stuck together. So together they look like this. It goes 5, 6, a step across, turn. We go a back, underneath, pull down and face, pick up the hand for the cross-handed catapult. We go a sweep, offer, block, turn, face, return, offer for the pretzel. We do the walk around version, so we go over the top and into the walk, walk, slide for the lady comb. We go a comb and then the half Manhattan, and then coming out we walk the lady into a spin to go back to the left hand, setting ourselves up back to go to the step across turn. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out if your notifications are turned on. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.